Click API extraction. Select your desired proxy product. Then determine the number of IPs and countries to be extracted. The choice of proxy protocol, data format, etc. is up to you. Generate the API link. Copy the link and paste it into the browser to extract the IPs. Copy an IP and open PVABrowser. Click New Profile. Fill in the name. Select a website. Choose a proxy type. Paste the IP and port you just copied. Click Test. Click Save. Then click Start. This is the proxy information after setting up. Now you can start to surf the internet safely.